Subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you get alerted every time. So, first of all, अपने बच्चों को अपना काम करने दो. Let your children do their work themselves. Let your children do their work themselves. रोबिन ने एक तस्वीर बनाई. Robin drew a picture. Robin drew a picture. आइए तुम्हारा जन्मदिन मनाएं. Let's celebrate your birthday. Let's celebrate your birthday. हमने अपने बच्चे को भगवान में विश्वास दिलाया है. We have made our children believe in God. We have made our children believe in God. मैंने ये पुस्तकें उसे नहीं दी. I didn't give him these books. I didn't give him these books. उसने मेरे पत्र का उत्तर नहीं दिया. He did not reply to my letter. He did not reply to my letter. उन्होंने तारों को भी काट दिया था. They had even cut off all the wires. They had even cut off all the wires. 6 घंटे के बाद वे चले गए. They left after 6 hours. They left after 6 hours. क्या उसने नीली शर्ट पहनी? Did he wear a blue shirt? Did he wear a blue shirt? जेल में कैदियों से जानवरों से बदतर सलूक किया जाता है. In prison, captives are treated worse than animals. In prison, captives are treated worse than animals. कल मैं एक बस में यात्रा कर रहा था. Yesterday I was traveling in a bus. Yesterday I was traveling in a bus. अभी तक कोई नहीं आया है. Nobody has come yet. Nobody has come yet. उसका बेटा सेना में भर्ती हो गया है. His son has been selected in army. His son has been selected in army. हम लोग उनके प्रति हमदर्दी दिखाना चाहते हैं. We people want to show pity on them. We people want to show pity on them. उसके जाने के बाद हमने खाना खाया. We had the food after he left. We had the food after he left. मछुआरों ने मछली पकड़ ली थी. Fishermen had caught fishes. Fishermen had caught fishes. उसने कहा कि वह अपना काम कर रहा था. She said that she had been doing his work. She said that she had been doing his work. रोबिन ने धन उधार लिया. Robin borrowed the money. Robin borrowed the money. तुम सुबह से यहाँ क्यों बैठे हुए हो? Why have you been sitting here since morning? Why have you been sitting here since morning? अगर तुम्हें मेरी मदद की ज़रूरत हो तो कृपया मुझे बताओ. If you need my help, please let me know. If you need my help, please let me know.